switch intake out on this. You guys saw that episode already. There's $100 for the winner tonight on 4x4 gas. We're in two classes. We're in the all-wheel drive / SUV, and Brandon just showed up. And we're in the 4x4 gas. So we're gonna get the intake switched out on this thing. There's that Maserati that was at the fuel station. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.
A nice exit.
Oh, through the headlight?
Yep.
Hell yeah. I can just feel the fucking front tires. And now I think my alignment's out, so.
Awesome. This thing is hot for sitting in traffic.
Yeah, just touching the fender, I'm like, damn, dude, that turbo's making heat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that mesh guard, dude, that's fucking sweet. You already got a bug in it.
I know. Yeah, this is right. I think.
This 3-inch? 4 inch. Just go straight diesel, just 5-inch.
Yeah, it wouldn't fit. There she goes. Got on Marketplace right now. I just saw it for Marketplace like 2 days ago.
It looks cool. That's all I got. It looks.
This thing says service 4-wheel drive. Hold up. What did that mean? They're not even black. Alright guys, this is my couple seconds just to promote the fact that on my last video we had almost 1,200 views, which is really awesome, but unfortunately over 1,000 of those views, about 87%, were non-subscribers. So if you could, jump on the channel and keep following the videos with us. If not, please leave a like and a comment at the minimum. It really helps me grow the channel and keep doing fun stuff with this truck. That felt good.
Back again in victory lane. Winner of our ATV side-by-side.
I lifted a little bit. You should have seen the smoke coming off the fucking left front.
Really?
Yeah, the left front literally was doing a burnout.
Oh, you were crooked there for a good few feet.
Yeah. Dude, did you see me jump a little bit?
You jumped perfectly.
Yeah, I did jump perfect. I got a good start, but I did on accident. I just got excited.
You jumped perfectly. I didn't say nothing. I was like, no.
He's probably bitching, but
But you didn't jump on the green. It was green when you were going.
Yeah.
There was no movement.
No, because I let off my finger, but I didn't let off my foot. So it was like doing a burnout, like sitting still.
don't like
How are you
how
feeling on the steering?
Oh, it's all over the place.
Yeah, I don't even know. I've never had to deal with that, so I don't even know how I would handle it.
I'm just cutting lights tonight, bro.
Did I?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all I got. I jumped on that one.
Just barely.
Just barely.
W's.
Fuck yeah.
Be up after 0 performance.
So at this point in the video, we are about halfway through. We just lost in the SUV / all-wheel drive class that X3M. I don't know what happened. I knew that I was cutting the light hard, but he must have turned that thing up, or maybe it wasn't running very good at the beginning, because when I got out in front of him, I put a truck length on him, and then all of a sudden, or maybe I got hot and this thing slowed down. So anyways, we're moving on to the real class, the one that's important, the 4x4 gas truck class. That's got the money on it. That's one we're worried about. So let's get into that portion of the video right now.
We go monthly. That first race of the year is typically on a
lifting it and all of a sudden it went right.
You get a trophy. What's your name? Alex, if you won before.
I have. This truck's been putting up good this year, so.
All right. Well, compliments of Plaid Ace Bus and Limo Service. You get $100.
Woo! Well, it'll probably go back in the truck, you know?
All right. Hey, gonna be back here next year?
Absolutely. We're going to build it even faster.
Love it.
Dude, he doesn't want to fucking pull up. Yeah, give him a fucking space, dude. Fuck your Tesla.
Well, we're gonna handicap this one.
Alrighty, so as you saw, we won our class. First $100 the truck is made, so that's pretty awesome. All the trucks in there put up a good fight, but I was actually honestly surprised that the SUV class had more heat than the truck class does. Maybe I should have expected that, but I thought it would have been the other way around. As you can see, we got June, July, and finally September right here. So we got our 3 trophies, and I just want to say, you know, after you get your bracket winnings, which all 3 of these are bracket winners, we get put in the finals, and of course we take out the AMG, we take out the Gasser, we're looking good, and we get put up against the Tesla. So it is what it is. Teslas are gay, and I got no shame in that. The truck held up good. So where are we going next? Realistically, it's getting winter time here. The truck is gonna go under the knife, and we're gonna do some different things to it to make it faster for next year. My wife's shaking her head because that means we go spend some money to win another $100. So anyways, we're gonna change some stuff up with the truck. Hopefully you guys can stick along with that. Make sure that you are subscribed, and until I see you next time, peace.